Profile 3. Profile 1.
So I've had this thing for about a month now, and the amount of usefulness this thing provides is insane. I paid like $250 for this. I don't regret any of that at all. You know, I regret purchasing that tiny bit. I regret purchasing, you know, $400 microphone, you know, $1,500 camera. My PC is like $3,000. Keyboard's like $250. Yeah, it's a pretty cheap mouse, but hey, whatever, okay? And I don't regret this at all. And here's why. Look, if I go inside of here, I have all of this stuff. All of this stuff. All this stuff. You know how much time it saves me when I stream? Even if you don't stream. Hell, if you make videos on YouTube, this is so worth it. Look at all these. These are all sound effects. If you use Premiere Pro, you could do a voiceover. You can click the voiceover button on your mouse and press one of these sound effects. It'll play through your microphone, which and then will play through Premiere, and then you save time from adding a sound effect to the track. And your workflow is less messy, and it's so much faster, and just overall, the convenience of this thing is so nice. And even when I'm not streaming, I find myself using it like on the desktop. You know, there's you can set up anything. This thing can pretty much do anything, and I'm pretty sure they're constantly still updating it. So this thing only gets more and more valuable, you know, every few months, and it's already so insane. The amount of stuff you can do with this is nuts. And even if you don't stream, even if you make videos, even if you just use your desktop, you can set up Spotify and stuff like that. And you can get the smaller one. But, you know, the value proposition for this thing's nuts. I mean, I use it every day. It's nuts. You should pick it up if you don't already have one. It is 100% worth it. I don't regret buying this thing at all. And yeah, it's just so good.
Y desde aquel momento, toda burla se acabó.